So I purchased this thing hoping I could do some pull-ups. I got the instructions here. It just gives you a little diagram, and it says there's two short bolts, two long bolts, two medium bolts, but there was only two short bolts for the middle thing here, and then four of these bolts that are the same diameter that barely make it through to the other side. This diagram shows that there's first the locking nut and then a cap nut on top of that. So both of these have already stripped on the edge. So I can't even thread it. I gotta order some more bolts just to make it work. Um, yeah, and so it doesn't even stick out enough to catch much of the nut. And whatever little bit does, I've already stripped it because it doesn't screw on. Because they didn't send the right bolts. They should have sent longer bolts. Whatever. It's a ripoff, but it was only 30 bucks. So I'm just going to have to hang on to it and pay extra for better bolts because, just more cheap Chinese garbage from Amazon and Walmart, etc.